Hi viewers, today I am going to show you a feature called screen pinning. This feature is available right from Android 5.0 version, but most of us don't know about this. Actually, the purpose of this screen pinning is sometimes we hand over our smartphones to our friends in order to show them some pictures, but what they do is they will search the data available in our smartphone starting from messages ending with WhatsApp. In order to avoid them doing the things that we don't want, then screen pinning option will come into picture. First of all, open menu, select settings, then select security, then select screen pinning. If you see here, I have enabled screen pinning option in my Android mobile. Let us assume I want to show some particular pictures to my friend. In order to show him, I am going to hand over my smartphone to him. But what he do is, after seeing these two pictures, he will go to home and he will browse the unwanted data that he don't want. He will go something like this and he will open WhatsApp or whatever he like, he will do. In order to avoid him browsing the unrelated content, the screen pinning will come to picture. If you see here, I want to show these two particular pictures. For this, I am going to pin this particular tab or particular application to my Android mobile. Let's go and see. Select the recent tabs button and drag the display tabs to back. If you see here, a pin tab is going to be displayed. Now I want to pin the gallery to my Android mobile. Select the pin option. If you see here, he want to go to home, but he can't. He unable to go to home. He want to see the recent tabs, but it is not working. He want to open WhatsApp. He is going back. It is working. He is going back. He is going back, but he can't able to come outside of the gallery. This is the purpose of the screen pinning. In order to disable the screen pinning, long press the recent tabs button and back button at a time. If you like this video, click on like and subscribe. Don't forget to share. Thank you.